5G, wars and rumors of wars, increasing. Matthew 24:6, and ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, and see that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. Matthew 24:33 and 35, so likewise ye, when ye shall see all these things, know that it is near, even at the doors. Verily I say unto you, this generation shall not pass till all these things be fulfilled. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words shall not pass away. Nobody can change them. Matthew 13 and 7, and when ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, be ye not troubled, for such things must needs be, but the end shall not be yet. 2 Peter 3:10, but the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in the which the heavens shall pass away with a great noise, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat, the earth also and the works that are therein shall be burnt up. 2 Peter 3:11, seeing then that all these things shall be dissolved, what manner of persons ought ye to be in all holy conversation and godliness? 2 Peter 3:12, looking for and hasting unto the coming of the day of God, wherein the heavens being on fire shall be dissolved, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat. 3:13, nevertheless we, according to his promise, which is in Acts chapter 1, look for new heavens and a new earth, wherein dwelleth righteousness. Revelations 14 and 7, saying with a loud voice, fear God, and give glory to him, for the hour of his judgment is come, and worship him that made heaven and earth, and the sea and the fountains of waters. Worship him who made heaven and earth. Revelations 14 and 9, the mark. And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, if any man worship the beast and his image, and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hand. 14:10, the same shall drink of the wine of the wrath of God, who is poured out without mixture into the cup of his indignation, and he shall be tormented with fire and brimstone in the presence of the holy angels and in the presence of the Lamb. And if you go to QOF, which is the Q in Hebrew, Kof, for queen, the woman, and this is the woman on the back of the beast, the whore, and here's all the mental illnesses and drugs and everything put into these letters. The queen of heaven, the Babylonian woman that people worship. Revelations 14:11, and the smoke of their torment ascendeth up forever and ever, and they have no rest day nor night, who worship the beast and his image, and whosoever receiveth the mark of his name. And in Hebrew, here's the tooth in Hebrew, the sheen. Here's what it looked like, teeth, in 2000 BC, and they changed the lettering, and now it looks like this today. It stands for chaos or teeth. It also has a double blessing, a double meaning, and it also can mean a blessing. But here is the mark of the beast, the chip, the blue tooth. It's the 21st letter. Here's a patch for regulating medication if you wear a patch. The RFID patch is connected to the chip and the mark of the beast, and I'll show you where it's connected to. Anybody wearing a patch, it has an RFID chip on you, regulating the drug. This is the mark of Cain in Genesis 4:13 through 15. And the angel thrust in his sickle into the earth, and gathered the vine of the earth, and cast it into the great winepress of the wrath of God. 20, Revelations 14 and 20, and the winepress was trodden without the city, and the blood came out of the winepress, even unto the horses' bridles, by the space of 1,600 furlongs. Matthew 4 and 23. And Jesus went about all Galilee, teaching in their synagogues, and preaching the gospel of the kingdom, and healing all manner of sickness and all manner of disease among the people. If your church is not doing that today, then you are not in the right church. You can order all these charts and lessons from this class at the PentecostalPublishingHouse.com website. They also have pre-printed lessons, quizzes, and certificates you can hand out to the classroom for your students. All the scriptures and lexicon are found on the esword.net website, which you can download for free. Go to Google search Minister Gail Apostolic Teacher on YouTube to find more classes showing how to use several online resources for the Strong's Concordance. Learn Biblical Hebrew, alphabet, and root words, and classes on salvation for any denomination, beginners, students, pastors, preachers, priests, and ministers, which can be used at home or in any religious setting on your phone, tablet PC, or large screen TV, translated by closed caption into your own language. Thank you for coming to this class. Please click and subscribe to see more classes on my Search for Truth 2 Bible study by the Pentecostal Publishing House, Minister Gail, of the original Judeo-Christian one God teaching in the Bible.